Hello and welcome to Kazi Bapi Europe vlog. Ever wondered how to cook authentic Indian beef masala? Well, you're not alone. In fact, our culinary wizard, Fahmida, has been on a mission to master it. This lively Bangladeshi immigrant turned Portuguese restaurateur has been stirring, simmering, and savoring her way through this Indian classic, all in the name of perfection. And let me tell you, it's been quite a spicy ride. Funny enough, Fahmida once burnt her kitchen mitts trying to perfect this dish. Fahmida, an immigrant from Bangladesh, now a happy resident of Portugal, has been stirring up a storm in her kitchen. Her love affair with cooking began as a young girl, observing her mother's culinary magic. She brought this passion with her when she moved to Portugal, infusing her dishes with a unique blend of her mother's recipes and her own creative twists. Her culinary journey has seen its fair share of kitchen disasters, like the time she mistook salt for sugar in a dessert, resulting in a hilariously salty surprise. But it's also been marked by triumphs, like the opening of her thriving restaurant, where she serves up authentic Indian dishes, including her signature beef masala. It's not just her customers who are fans of her cooking. Fahmida's husband often finds himself as the guinea pig for her experimental dishes. And guess what? Fahmida's husband still jokes that he's her official taste tester, a job he takes very seriously. Now let's dive into the recipe, folks. To create Fahmida's authentic Indian beef masala, you will need a blend of spices, tender beef, and a touch of love. Start by heating oil in a pan. Toss in some cumin seeds and let them crackle like a fireplace on a winter's night. Then introduce finely chopped onions to the party and cook until they're golden brown. Be careful not to burn them, unless you fancy a smoky masala, which, to be honest, even Fahmida once accidentally created. Next, add ginger and garlic paste, followed by the beef. Stir it like you're conducting an orchestra until the meat is well browned. Now it's time for the symphony of spices. Turmeric, red chili, coriander, and garam masala. In they go. But here's Fahmida's secret ingredient that makes the dish unique: a spoonful of crushed black peppercorns. It adds a spicy twist that dances on your tongue. Once the spices have mingled, pour in some tomato puree and let it simmer. As Fahmida always says, patience is the secret spice of cooking. So, while the beef is getting cozy with the masala, you can take a break and enjoy a cup of chai. Finally, garnish the dish with fresh coriander and serve it hot with naan or rice. So, are you ready to take the Fahmida challenge and cook up your version of this authentic Indian beef masala? Share your experiences in the comments. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel if you really like our videos. Thank you.